Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by isolating power. Disconnect the battery or unplug the unit so you avoid sparks and false signals. Once done, remove the door trim and fasteners carefully. This exposes the lock machine and linkage. Make sure to label screws and note orientation. You will reassemble in reverse. Now visually inspect the actuator, rods, and electrical connector to identify broken gears, bent rods, or corrosion, because these clues tell you whether to repair mechanical parts or focus on the motor and wiring. Next, carefully disassemble the actuator. Remove the casing and document gear positions with a photo so you can return parts to exact alignment. Test the electric motor with a 12V supply to verify rotation and listen for grinding. Measure coil resistance to detect an open winding. Examine gears for stripped teeth and plastic fatigue. Swap in replacement gears or glue where appropriate. Check linkage angle and bushings. Worn pivot points cause misalignment, so replace or bend back metal rods to restore smooth travel. Reassemble the lock machine in reverse order. Apply light grease to gears and pivot points to reduce wear and prevent binding. Once bolted back, reconnect power and cycle the lock at least 10 times to confirm full range and consistent timing. This also seats parts into position. If the lock hesitates or is intermittent, make sure connectors are clean and secure and that the ground is solid. If electrical tests fail, replace the control module or actuator motor, because repeated intermittent faults usually indicate internal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.